Hi girls, welcome back to my channel Little Bewitch. So today's topic is skincare routine for oily skin, and I know it's been a very long time since I did some skincare tutorial. Basically this isn't a tutorial, but I would like to tell you that these are the must know ingredients in your skincare products. And most of the people, they just pick up the product looking at some influencer because they use it, and that is just disgusting, because that is not necessary is what your skin needs, right? So guys, this video is all about it, what your skin needs, and what ingredient you should definitely include in your skincare for better results. And yeah, so now without further ado, let's quickly begin the video. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to give a big thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram right away. Also, don't forget to watch this video till the end, because I've done a Q&A with my Instagram audience, and I'm gonna answer all their questions in the end, so don't forget to watch it till the end. Okay, so some might find this boring and theoretical, but guys, come on, like, after all, it's your skin and you don't want to risk it, and for better results you definitely need to know this. So yeah, so the first thing is definitely the buzz around internet, which is AHA and BHA. And most of the people, they just mix up the product and don't know what it works. It's just know that it chemically peels your skin and don't know what it does, right? Which is so wrong. So AHA and BHA, so basically AHA is, if you have a drier skin type, then you should definitely go for AHA, because it will just peel off the surface of your skin, like your scars or some burns or anything. If you're looking out for deeper exfoliation, then you should definitely go for BHA. It will just target your acne, blackheads, whiteheads. Should definitely go for BHA if you have acne prone skin. And if you have dry skin type, then please don't go for BHAs, because it will just go deeper in your skin and it will just dry out your skin more, and it's just very bad. So don't do that, because too much of dryness is also not good for skin, and too much of oiliness is also not good for your skin, right? And yeah, so basically glycolic acid is AHA. If you heard anything about glycolic acid, it comes under AHA. And if you salicylic acid is the category of BHA. So keep this in mind, and these are the two most famous buzz going over the internet all over, glycolic acid, salicylic acid. So I think I really need to come up with this. So I hope that's clear with you. AHAs and BHAs. BHAs for oily skin type and AHAs for dry skin type. Also girls, if you are a beginner, then please just don't do it every alternate day. You need to do it once in 10 days or 15 days, because your skin isn't habituated to chemical peelings and exfoliation. So remember that. And always apply a sunscreen when you chemically exfoliate, because otherwise your skin is gonna cause more harm than it's gonna cure. So yeah, these are just the basics, remember that. And a lot of them are asking who should do chemical exfoliation. Obviously it has to be 25 above, but I can see girls who are just 18 plus are just waiting to use these products. I mean girls, क्या जल्दी है इतनी, I mean दुनिया भी नहीं देखी अभी तक. So yeah, I mean, just hold on, your time will come, and the better products and the better technologies will come by that time when you will be 25. So yeah, just hold on, don't just use the products because everyone's using it. As I told, look for what your skin needs. So the next is hyaluronic acid, and every brand is coming up with a hyaluronic acid in their skincare routine. And do we really know them? No. So here I am. So hyaluronic acid basically provides you extreme level of hydration. It increases the collagen level in your skin. Collagen is something you can consider as your skin protein. Like your body needs protein, your skin also needs protein to make you look young for a very long time. I will not say that using these products you will not age. That's definitely a wrong statement. But what I would definitely say is, your aging process will definitely be slowed down if you use hyaluronic acid every single day. Just imagine, guys, you have everything settled on your skin, the dirt, the clog pores, and everything on your skin, and you just splash on these products on your skin. Is it really going to work? I don't think so. You really need to remove the dead skin cell from the surface of your skin so that these active ingredients can penetrate deep inside your skin and provide you better results. And I think you should use this every single day in your skincare routine, whether it's day, whether it's night, or no matter what your skin type is. Please include hyaluronic acid in your skincare routine every single day. I need hyaluronic acid in my skincare routine because I use makeup, once a week, or twice a week maybe, and for 7 hours long, for 8 hours long, and by that time my skin is totally dry. So I really need these products. So it is hyaluronic serum, concentrate, water drench, hydrating. Slightly expensive, but I think it's a must have skincare products in your routine. And I really like this product. Slightly fragrant, but that's okay for me because this feels very refreshing. I use this day and night, and after that I top it up with a moisturizer. Okay, so the next is vitamin C, and also a lot of brands are coming up with vitamin C, but do the audience really know what it does? No. So here I am, do not worry. And yeah, so I have a Jeva C serum, vitamin C serum. Again, it has hyaluronic acid. All my products has hyaluronic acid because I need it, girl. Okay, so now coming back to what vitamin C does, it really protects you from UV exposure, and if you have dark spots or hyperpigmentation, this will really help to reduce the dark spots, and if you have dull face, this will brighten up your dull face. So I think it's a great active ingredient in your skincare routine, because who doesn't have dark spots, who doesn't have a duller face, right? So definitely include this in your skincare routine. There's no harm using this every single day, because first of all, it protects you from UV exposure, right? And if you have dark spots like I do have, you obviously cannot see it right now because it is makeup, but yeah, I do have dark spots, and yeah, I mean, to an extent, vitamin C serums work, and only if you apply it regularly. Also, if you are a beginner, you can definitely give a shot to this product because this is not expensive. You can get it for discount like 500 or something, which is okay, but do not forget to include vitamin C in your skincare routine. Also, find these products below in the description box and check it out if there's any discount, and if yes, then don't forget to buy it now because these are must have skincare products. So the last ingredient is retinol, and why you should use it and who should use it, definitely I'll tell you. So 25 plus women 25 plus should definitely use retinol in your skincare product because it will just prevent you from anti-aging, early aging, and if you have existing fine lines and wrinkles, it will just smoothen out. So one product I would definitely like to tell you is this Olay Regenerist, and I know this is slightly expensive, but trust me, my mom can really see the difference in her skin. She uses it every single day, mostly the night time because it's expensive, and she don't want to use it in the daytime. This is basically our Indian mom, and yeah, so that is why she is using this every single night, and she can find amazing results. I am not sure if we can use this product or not because the what do you call the concentration level, I think the ratios I think which they use is can be little hard for us, but she can definitely see the results, and it has brightened her face and all. So yeah, also I think this is the best gift a mom can ever receive, because just imagine looking younger and feeling that her young little self is so good to her, right? So yeah, just who are wondering what to gift her, definitely give this one. Alright, that is it. So now I'm gonna answer a few set of questions. I asked my Instagram audience to just DM me if they have any doubts or anything regarding these products, and this is what they came up with, and you can also hear it out. So the first question is, how many times vitamin C can we use? So I will suggest you once a day is sufficient, and preferably, it will be a daytime, because that is when it protects you from UV exposure. And make sure do not use vitamin C and retinol together. The another question is, can you use retinol and hyaluronic acid together? So the answer is yes, 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 you can. So you need to use hyaluronic acid, to restore your moisture once you use retinol. So you need to apply retinol first, and then top it up with a hyaluronic acid, because it is just going to restore it the moisture. So retinol will dry up your skin a little. So if you are a beginner, it is gonna cause redness and skin irritant and all of that. So hyaluronic acid is actually advisable if you use it on top of retinol. Yeah. Can you use retinol every day? Yes, it is 100% safe to use retinol in your everyday skincare routine, but I would really recommend you to visit your dermatologist and ask him if you can include, what concentration and all of that. He is definitely the best person to speak to. So yeah. Can you use vitamin C? The question is vitamin C or vitamin E, which one is better? So both of these ingredients, vitamin E and vitamin C, they both are antioxidants, and if you ask me personally, I will prefer vitamin C, because vitamin C not only is antioxidant, but also it will protect you from UV exposure and all of the lists which I mentioned. And if you don't remember, then please rewind and watch it again. So the next and the last is best vitamin C. Guys, I haven't tried all of the products, so I really can't tell you what is the best vitamin C serum, but I can definitely tell you the one which I have used. You can pick up that if you are a beginner, and you can check the link in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. So guys, that was it about today's topic, and let me know if you really want me to come up with more such skincare routines, skincare every day, or in general just about skincare. Let me know. I would really love to make those videos for you guys. And also don't forget to give a big thumbs up if you like this video, and I will see you in my next video.